G'day homos, Aussie Flying Ace here with another video for you, all unedited and uncut. Well, except for this bit. Yeah, no, how you going? Alrighty, this is exciting. This is a happening. Well, it's not a happening, but it could be a happening. People are saying this might happen, and there's things that could happen, and it might be happening. Alright, but it hasn't happened yet. But it could be just beginning. This could be it begins. Alright, so now we got to get to why didn't you listen? Alright, you didn't listen. That's no, is it you didn't, why didn't you listen? No, you didn't listen, and then it's why didn't you listen? That's the progressive chart of the happening chart. Now, I'll give you the details. It's a comet, right? It's not a comet, depends, right? It's a comet. We'll say it's a giant asteroid. It's an asteroid, it's a comet. This is what's adding you to even worse, right? Now, it's called Comet ISON. ISON. Anyway, or it's also called C/2012 S1. Now, it's going fast. Get into how fast it's going later. Now, I'll put some articles below. You can see the Wikipedia links below. You can see a news article, then you can go search it for yourself. Now, look, what's happened is it's come from whoop whoop, basically. If you're unfamiliar with what whoop whoop means, it means Timbuktu, in the middle of nowhere. Whoop whoop. It comes from who knows where right now. This is really exciting because this thing is turning up in our solar system, and they guess it might have come from the Oort cloud. You know, that's just giant ring, well not ring, but a giant cloud of asteroids and matter and stuff sitting out there beyond, you know, like the Plutoids. Now, because of its hyperbolic trajectory, I'll chuck a link below for if you're not sure what hyperbolic trajectory is. I had to look it up. They think that's pretty much yep, it's coming from whoop whoop. It's not part of our solar system orbit. The only possibility is if this thing has a massive orbit, like huge orbit. I'm talking bigger than your mum orbit. All right, now, did something push it out? It's gravity, you know, zero gravity, the gravity of another moving object or something hitting it could have pushed it and it's coming towards it. Now, this thing's going to come really, really close to the sun. How close? Like, really close. Like, closer than I was to your mum last night close. Now, this thing is probably going to burn up. This is the exciting part. It's going to burn up. It's getting bright. It's even at this point right now, it's getting bright. It's you can see it with binoculars. As it comes into, I'll get into the time period exactly, but basically end of the month, start of December, this thing is going to be happening. Okay, now, let me just get to some more facts here. Media reports. There's a bit of conjecture and hyperbole, but some media reports are saying it's going to be 15 times brighter than the full moon. Think about the full moon. How bright is that? 15 times more than that. That's pretty bright. Now, I wonder if they'll still make us go to work because they'll say it's not nighttime. You never know. Anyway. Now, it's going to pass Earth and it's close now. Before it passes Earth, it's got to actually go right close to the sun. Now, it's going to get really close to the sun on November. I thought I wrote this down somewhere. I think it was November 18th or something like that. November, it's coming really close to the sun. For the next 2 weeks or so, the next week, 2 weeks or so, it's coming up to the sun. Right, it's going to get really close and then go whoa and fling around. Now, the scientists are saying it's not going to hit us, right? But my issue is that scientists, well, meteorologists are scientists, right? Aren't they? I mean, if anyone protests, please let me know in the comments below. Meteorologists, scientists, do you trust the weatherman? Weatherman's meteorologist, eh? He gets his information from meteorologists. Would you trust the weatherman? I don't trust the weatherman. So, I don't necessarily trust that it's not going to hit Earth, but I'm not going to be a fearmonger. Alright, now, it's going to go past the sun real close, come out, sling out, and then it's going to get close to Earth. Not real close, but it's going to come closest to Earth around December 26th. Now, it's that path, once it's come close to the sun and it comes around, it's that point that's going to be the big light show for us, alright? It's going to be a huge light show. They've actually said it's going to be the comet of the century. That's a big thing because Halley's Comet came by. Well, actually, that's this century. No, that's showing my age, isn't it? That was last century. I didn't see Halley's Comet. Don't think I'm that old, jeez. Anyway, so, look, it could be happening. This thing's going really fast. I broke it down. It's going something like 39.44 kilometers a second. A second. That's dangerous, right? That's dangerous. You don't want something that fast hitting Earth in any way or form. And this thing's massive too. This thing's huge. Go have a look at it. Look at the links below. Now, if that wasn't enough facts, and if the links below don't provide enough facts for you, here's another random fact for you. November the 11th, going back in time to 1880. Guess what happened today, November 11th, 1880? Well, if you're Australian, you might know. Ned Kelly was hanged. That's right, Ned Kelly's a bit of an infamous folk hero, you know, culture phenom thingo. Now, he was an Australian bushranger. Very quickly wrap up of his story. The coppers arrested his mum, so he went and killed a couple of them, right? Because you don't arrest someone's mum. Who arrests someone's mum? Who does that? Coppers do that, that's who. Look, thank you very much. Keep your eyes in the sky, but don't lose your mind. And I'll see you all around like a rissole.
If you like and subscribe, I'll make better videos.